We can add more than one SLA item in a SLA. To do that, let's go back to the customer service admin center app and let's navigate to the service term page. Let's click on manage. So this is the case SLA. So currently it is in activated state. We need to make it deactivate in order to modify the SLA. Let's deactivate it. So this is the SLA item which we created and it has some criteria, but we are going to add one more SLA item and that will have some different criteria. So let's add one more SLA item here. We can give the name of this SLA item like first response, let's say 2, and KPI would be the same, and I'm not adding any business hours right now. Let's add the applicable criteria here. So I want to set this applicable when the case priority is equals to normal, and after that we have the success conditions. So let's say for the success condition the case status should be equals to resolved. So there is one point to be noted down, that is whatever attribute we are using in applicable when criteria, that should not be used in the success condition. If the same field is commonly used in both criteria, then it will create a problem. Now let's set the warn and failure duration. So the warn will be after 1 minute and the failure will be after 2 minutes. And for this SLA I am not going to configure any action, just to demonstrate. So let's click on save and close. Let's make it activate again and also make it default. Let's go to the customer service hub app and we are going to create another case record. Let's say case title is case 3 and the criteria to activate or trigger that SLA item is the case priority should be normal. Let's select the customer and click on save. So as the criteria got matched for SLA item 2, so even if we don't configure any kind of actions for the SLA item, still it will trigger. So like this, if you have any kind of requirement where you no need to take any actions on that, so for that you can do it without creating or configuring the actions in the Power Automate flow. So the warn after duration is only 1 minute and that is going to be completed now. And after that we will refresh the page. So let's refresh the page and you can see it's showing nearing expiry, and because this is the SLA item for which we have not configured any flow, so there is no email getting generated. And this will be expired after the 2 minutes. So now this is about to complete. Let's refresh the page and it is showing expired.